Welcome back to campus, everyone. I'm Chancellor Kristensen, and I'm here to wish you a happy 2018 and hopefully get the new year started. It is the beginning of a new calendar year, but really we're halfway through an academic year, so now is a good chance for me to sit back and thank you for everything that you've done this year so far to make this university a great place. As we settle in at the beginning of classes, it's important, I think, to take a little bit of a look back at our successes in 2017. We had our first look at some exciting projects here on campus. Village Flats, for example, is the first building at University Village. And even more exciting for many of you, we've revealed a new location and plan for our brand new STEM building, along with a major renovation of our student union. We announced new programs last semester aimed at filling some really important needs in our country and in our world. The approval of a new cyber program and the eventual development of a cyber operations department, very exciting, and a new master's program in athletic training. Our deans and faculty continue to have discussions on how to merge into a new College of Arts and Sciences. I think that's going very well. And we've begun to look at assessing our program demands here through Noel Levitt's research, the results of which we should have here fairly shortly, and we'll make sure that we get that out to everybody. We're engaging in important conversations as well about managing our enrollment, increasing our credit hour production, and offering new strategies and remissions to interest more students to come to UNK. Last semester, we held forums and had important campus conversations about our budget constraints. As the state looks to plan and manage revenue shortfalls again, we're going to have to continue to assess our dollars against our strategic plan. The current indication is the state will have to take additional reductions in spending to balance its books this year. We need to be ready to react to additional reductions in the first half of 2018. I know we're up for that task. The important work of the budget response teams has been unprecedented. They've led to many opportunities for the university to work smarter and leaner as a system, and I want to thank everybody who's been on those teams and contributed to their work. Recently in the news, there was coverage of a new budget model allocation that we talked about in our budget forum in October. This process is focusing on making sure every University of Nebraska student has the opportunity to be successful, whether they're in Lincoln, Omaha, or in Kearney. The model is going to focus on making sure that every dollar we spend goes to meet that goal. It's pro-student, pro-university, and I think pro-Nebraska. UNK has had the opportunity to make use of this new model to make strategic changes that have never been available to us before. We can't use these funds merely to plug budget holes, but rather we need to use them to carry out our strategic plan. And I'm very confident that we can do that. As the days begin flying by on this new semester, let's remind ourselves how important it is to work here every day for our students and consider how privileged we are to be entrusted with their success and the responsibility to make them good citizens and good students. I hope we also take the opportunity to look out for each other, to ensure that all of our UNK community members are safe and secure during their days here. Our alumni judge Andrea Miller so eloquently talked at commencement about success.
Each and every one of you has the ability to touch the lives of someone around you. If you do that, I believe you have reached the pinnacle of success.
Think about the power of that statement and all the successes you can be responsible for this semester by continuing to do what you do so well with thoughtfulness and excellence. So with that, Happy New Year, and as always, go Lopers.